Hey everyone, it's Howard here from AORUS, and today we're back with something a little bit different. As you can see, this is AORUS's top-of-the-line power supply, the AP1200PM. This is a fully modular power supply, and it's 80+ platinum certified, which ensures 92% efficiency at 50% load, which equals less power waste, heat, and noise. We also use 100% Japanese capacitors, which have 4 times the lifespan of conventional capacitors and produces efficient performance. What really makes this power supply special is going to be the side LCD monitor. It's a large display that can be programmed to show a variety of different effects. So for cases that have PSU shroud cutouts, this is going to add another layer of customization and flair to your system. Now, what's inside the box is going to be, of course, the power supply itself is sitting right here. We have our user manual, and then you're gonna get an abundance of different power connectors. Right here, we have our power adapter. There are an abundance, and I mean an abundance of cables that come with this power supply as well, and they're found all inside this bag right here. We have one 24-pin connector for the motherboard, 2 8-pin connectors for the CPU, 10 total 8-pin connectors for the PCIe, 16 SATA cable connectors, and 2 10-pin connectors for peripherals. And lastly, we have this cable right here, which connects to your motherboard's USB header and the power supply directly for you to be able to change all the lighting effects that we were talking about earlier. Let's take a look at its fully modular design. So on the very left is a digital COM port that we mentioned earlier that's connected to your USB's internal header for RGB Fusion and AORUS Engine. On the right, we have our 2 8-pin CPU connectors, and then we have 6 PCIe 8 pins to round out the middle and bottom right. Before we continue, if you like these type of videos, please be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to the latest products that we're coming out with. Okay, now back to the video. On the back side, you get a silver finish, and you get some grills right here, which house a large 144mm double ball bearing fan on the inside. On the side, it's awesome LCD display. If you have a picture of your dog or that special someone, you can showcase their picture right over here. You can even choose to display custom text, images, GIFs, videos, or play several modes all at once in rotation via the carousel option. This PSU has a bunch of sensors installed in its circuitry, which allows it to monitor power consumption and currents precisely in real time. Not only so, you can also show fan speeds and temperatures through the digital display. And just a side note, there are 2 applications for tuning your PSU. You're able to customize the layout and control RGB lighting via RGB Fusion, while you have to use AORUS Engine for PSU health monitoring and another feature we'll get to in a bit. Be sure you connect this cable to your motherboard's internal USB header and the power supply's digital COM port before you install either software. The dust removal function will rotate the fan at high speeds in reverse direction for about 10 seconds to shake off the dust on the fan and inside the power supply. This mechanism will start automatically every time you turn on your PC, or it can be manually activated through AORUS Engine. So all these features make the AORUS P1200W Power Supply one of the most unique and premium power supplies available on the market today. Some may even say this is over the top, and while not all systems may need its full load capacity, we believe that the LCD display will make this power supply a top enthusiast choice for high-end PC rigs. We hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the AP1200PM power supply. If you're interested in checking out more details about this, please be sure to check out the links in the description below. If you like these unboxing videos, be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below on what product you want us to unbox next. You can check out our other unboxing videos right here, and we'll be back next Thursday with another unboxing video. This is Howard from AORUS, wishing you guys a happy building season. Team up and fight on.